Some countries use different times from the zones they fall into. Sometimes it makes sense. For example, a lot of countries in Western Europe are an hour ahead of their solar time, so they can have the same time as other countries in Europe. But Russia doesn't seem to have a reason like that. And most of Russia's time zones are an hour ahead. Most of Russia's neighbors also use times that are an hour ahead of what they're supposed to be, probably so they'd be at the same time as the parts of Russia next to them. That isn't the case for Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan, as they use GMT plus 4, and the part of Russia north from them uses GMT plus 3. No other nearby country uses GMT plus 4. You'd also think that the Caucasus countries would want to be closer to Europe. In Australia, Northern Territory and South Australia use GMT plus 9.5, even though they are exactly in the GMT plus 9 slice of the world. Then there is China. Instead of using at least 3 time zones, it uses 1. This means that in Western China, the time is 3 hours ahead from solar time. A thing I find weird with Chile and Mexico is that they have small bits that are an hour ahead. Another thing that bugs me is that the time zones in Canada and the US almost follow province and state boundaries, but not quite. Why? Seriously, Canada, why is that small part of Saskatchewan in GMT minus 7?